Murder scene, nigga. Yeah, bad D, nigga. Yeah, bitch ass nigga. I'm about to blow out his brain. I'm about to blow out his brain.
Damn expensive. Hey, get that back, Jordan.
I'm blowing for brain, smoking the gas and it easing my brain. Smoking the medical for a nigga playing, I take out his brain. He wanna die by the net, tryna beef for the fame. We got more heat than the husband, we got more shit in the sea. Pull up on you, get the bustin'. I'm the one who got it poppin', you better stop it. Young nigga, don't start with the rocket. Young nigga start with the heater. You ain't my brother, you don't keep it G. CG4L, put the shit in the street. And I'm pouring up act like got me a cold, pop me a bean. One nigga playin', I start on this block at night with a beam. We got more ammunition than the army. We got more ammunition for the K. Nigga play with me, put two to your face. Homicide nigga who gon' die today. Johnny hit blood just like a tub. I really put it in work with the thugs. I really put it in work with the robbers, just to not be like a thug. Yeah, nigga, I take your set till you come back and get in that blood. Bitch, you get wet by the dollar. Bitch, you get wet like the racks. I really came from the bottom of the mud. I got my name out the drugs, smoking the gas and it ease my mind. I'm on the block with the junkies. I'm on the block tryna give me some money. I'm on the block tryna run the sack. I'm on the block tryna push me a dough. If a nigga try to snatch some, try to taste, I'll put a hole in the face. I know some youngins that really about action. I know some youngins really about murder. I'm in your block with the action. Come in your block and I run through your door with the money. Okay, pull up in your block in the scat. I'm really fucking that hoe from the bag. Fucking the pussy, I'm fucking a cat. They pour it off in the cat. This is a Hellcat, not a Charger. He wanna feature with Benz, I'm a Charger. Nigga, take off your head. Young nigga playing, he dead. Young nigga playing, he dead. I'm really sipping on medical. I'm really sipping on red. Yeah, catch that slipping at the stop sign. Catch flip at the red light. Went to the gun store, bought me a yapper. I might take off his head. I'm going fed. Might take off his face, I might catch me a case. Bad D, bad D, you know what it is, GG4L, nigga, gang, yeah, D3, man, D3 shit right now. Hey.
What the fuck you looking at?